Hello friends, welcome back to the Money Video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys how can we disconnect Bluetooth speaker to our Samsung phone. When you want to disconnect guys your speaker, so how can you disconnect? In this video friends, I am going to show you guys how to disconnect Bluetooth speaker to our Samsung phone. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So when first of all we will on our phone setting, then guys scroll it. Friends you can see guys your phone connection setting guys, tap here. Friends you can see guys your Bluetooth setting guys, when device connected, tap here. Friends you can see your, sorry friends I paused the video guys. So friends now continue. Friends you can see guys we have connected the speaker Bluetooth speaker, we want to disconnect. Right side setting option guys, tap here. Friends you can see guys your disconnect option. So friends you want to disconnect guys, you can disconnect from here. We will tap here to disconnect, so a speaker will disconnect guys, and we will of our phone settings. So like that guys you can disconnect your Bluetooth speaker to your phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet on next video, bye guys.